Hello everyone, in this video I'll show you two ways to change the PLC's IP address in case you need to put it in your network. The first method is through easy connection. For this method, the PLC must be in stop mode, meaning the application must not be running. So let's do that right now. Then log out from the PLC. Now, here in easy connection, select the PLC and change its IP address to any address I want. So for example, I can change it to 192.168, let's say 25. And I can also modify the subnet mask, gateway, and any other settings if necessary. Once the changes are made, I simply click Apply. The software will warn me that the CPU will be restarted, and then it will confirm that the configuration was applied successfully. Let's click Yes. Okay. At this point, the PLC's IP address has been changed. After applying the changes, I need to wait about a minute for the CPU to restart, and once the restart is complete, I can go to Device and select Map Network. Let's check it right now. See if the PLC has already restarted. We can see the PLC has been found again. Now using the new IP address 192.168.14.25, and that's it. The PLC's IP address has been successfully changed. And also there's another way to change the PLC's IP address, which is by downloading a project. So if I download the project exactly as it is now, the PLC's IP address will be changed to whatever address is configured in the Net1 settings. In this example, the PLC's IP address would be changed back to 1456, and this could cause the PLC to disappear from the network if the new address is not what you expect. However, it is another valid way to change the PLC's IP address. One thing you should be very careful about is downloading a project to a PLC that is already configured with the correct network settings. In that situation, the best practice is to open Easy Connection and copy the PLC's current IP address into the Net1 configuration of the project. That way, when you download the project, the PLC's IP address will not be changed. This is important because the PLC always adopts the IP address configured in the project. So in summary, you can either change the PLC's IP address directly through Easy Connection or by downloading a project that contains the desired network configuration. And that's it. These are the two available methods for changing the PLC's IP address, and I see you on the next video.